What's going on, everybody? How we doing today? I'm gonna try to make a nice quick unboxing for you, to the point. And it's a brand new Ring car cam. I'm gonna show you everything included, and I will be doing a how to install video on this, as well as a full review coming up soon. So if you're interested in this product, please do me a favor and like and subscribe. We'll have multiple videos on this, and hopefully you can learn from me everything you need to know, and I'll give you my honest opinion at the end of the review if I recommend it or not, or if you should just spend quite a bit less money and get something else that's on the market. So this guy is $250, and if you want their premium subscription service, an extra $60 a year. So it's definitely not cheap. It needs to be really good for this cost, and I'm going to give you that information on this channel. So once again, if you wouldn't mind subscribing, I'd really appreciate it. Let's go ahead and see what you get inside the box. Here's how it comes from Amazon. Simple brown box, kind of basic. Alright, here's how everything's packaged. Of course, you get the manual and quick start guide, as well as a little wipe to keep the lens clean, and a little tiny sticker you can put on your window so people know, hey, I got a Ring in my car. Here's a tool. It's going to show you the main camera system. So how this system works is you kind of wedge this down into where your windshield meets your dashboard. And then this comes up, and then the wire is technically hidden because this is wedged down into the dashboard. And it's going to sit basically like this. So you have your front facing camera, and then there's also a rear camera here, and it does have a privacy lens. So if you don't want it to record you in your car or behind your car, you can always turn it off. Another cool feature that I did see while I was watching a video on this is if someone does come in your car, and of course you have this on, these two little lights will turn on, and if it's a thief or something, they're going to be like, what the heck is that? Realize it's a camera and possibly leave the car. But by then, for them, it's already too late. That's a really cool feature to add those lights. I like that. Of course, it's motion detection and very simple install. This just sits on your window so there's no shaking and stuff. So very simple. It does connect to your OBD2 port instead of USB. Here is that. And I'll go over a lot more of this when I do the install video, and of course a ton more when I do the review. Here's some little cable management. A couple more of those for your window if you feel like you need it, or replaceable ones if you mess up your mount. You can redo it. And of course the cable, USB-C to USB-C. So this will run in between your windshield and dash. Very skinny cord. It's going to be very easy to shove in between. You run it across down by your door, and then it plugs into this. This is once again the OBD2 port that's always powered. Very simple plug and play. You literally just plug in your USB to this, and then it should be really quick, easy to install. Of course, there's going to be an app. It'll alert you when it detects anything. It's got motion detectors, of course, on the front and the rear. And I believe it's just HD 1080p. I wish for the price they should have made it at least 2K. A lot of other companies out there have 4K dash cams for around this price. So I'm going to give you, once again, my 100% honest opinion. If I think it's worth $250, I'll tell you, go ahead and buy it. If not, I'm going to say look elsewhere. I bought this with my own money, so Amazon or Ring did not sponsor this video or anything like that. So if it's not good, I'll be sending it back, and I'll give you guys my honest opinion. $250 is a lot of money. Just want to make this somewhat of a quick video. I'll go over a lot more of the information when I do the install and the review. So if you're interested in this, once again, please do me that huge favor, subscribe. I would love for you to join this channel. If you have any questions at all, just let me know down in the comments, and I will find the answer for you and or show it to you on video. Thanks again for watching. You guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.